In this video, I'll show you how to back up WordPress website. Let's get started. In order to do that, let's scroll down right here and let's try to install a plugin. So click on this plugins, click on this add new plugin, and then from in here, we should be able to see the plugin marketplace. Click on the search bar right here and then let's try to search in here for AppDrop. Once it's been searched right here, you should be able to see this AppDrop Plus, WordPress Backup and Migration. So let's click on this one. And then in here, let's head over and click on this install and activate. Now this will install this particular plugin to our WordPress. Now you can see in here this option for manage plugins. So click on this one. And then once you have done that, you should be able to see this particular plugin under your actual dashboard. Click on the settings right here. And then once you have done that, you should be able to see this. So let's start this right here. And then you can see in here the backup and restore. So what we can do is you can head over and click on this backup now. Then include everything right here. Click on this backup right here. Then as you can see, it's now requesting for backup. So the backup has begun. And now you can see in here the actual loading bar that it's been added right here. Now in here is your first backup. So just wait for this right here to finish. Once this backup is done, we should be able to see this right here on our existing backups that we have made on this particular page. So that's the whole process. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like, below, subscribe because it helps reach more people. See you soon.